Sir, get your dog. Excuse me, Arthur.
Shit.
Um,
I'm sorry.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
Come here. Bitch, yeah.
Man, will you keep the lights straight? Just point it at the engine block, would you? Come on.
You gotta be kidding me! How did he do it?
Get down. Stop.
Hi. Hi, cute butt.
How not to let your kid act around service dogs.
Please don't touch, honey. Thank you.
The correct way to teach your kid about service dogs.
Pet your dog. I know it's a service dog.
Yeah, he's working right now.
He's working right now, so you can't pet him, okay? Yeah.
You can look at him, though.
You can look at him. He's working. See, he's busy working. He's taking care. So just in case something happens, he knows how to protect us.
that's right.
When I found this kitten, I thought he had very long whiskers. The whiskers now.
Pesto chicken pasta? A little delayed.
And you were my baby. It started when we were younger. You were my boo.
Everyone gets my dogs confused because they all look alike, but they have very different personalities, so let me introduce you to them. On the left is Versace. She is the smallest, but she got a lot to say. Okay, and they get... Yeah? And she's goofy. This is Bailey. She's either happy that you're touching her or mad that you're not. There is no in-between. She's either following me or she's hanging out with Versace. She and Versace are like the same size, but she's a little bit more bully. Up next are the twins, Beastarella and Hublot. They are actual siblings. Beastarella's a girl, and she is bigger than the other two girls. This little fearless chimichanga always has something in her mouth, bless our heart. And finally, we have Hublot. He is the only boy. He is much bigger. He has a bigger head. So it's kind of easy to tell him apart from the rest of the gang, and he loves to cuddle. But I do have one more, and she is the biggest bully of them all. She kicks all of the big dogs off of their bed and sleeps on theirs. And it is my little red terrier Chihuahua Mix, Maui. She is the boss of the house. Come with me to my daddy's house for the last time ever. And no, mommy and daddy are not separating, they are not getting a divorce, and they are not about to co-parent. In fact, it is quite the opposite. Drum roll, please. Mommy and Daddy are moving in together. I am so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy's house. Daddy's house. Let's go. Okay, onwards. Quick little selfie. Looking so cute. My mommy picks me up and carries me through the lobby because I'm not allowed to walk on the floors. Why? Because management thinks that I'm some dirty animal, but whatever. Their loss. Obviously, my Uber is waiting out front. SUVs only, baby. I take advantage of the time in this car because I have my mommy's undivided attention, which means lots of scratchy scratches. I hold my mommy's hand because it is not a beautiful day in Miami today. The thunder is thundering, the rain is raining. So scary. And we're here. Obviously, the first thing I do is my little leg kicks to show all the dogs in this neighborhood that I am the alpha dog around here, King Louie. This is me walking towards the building, right foot, left foot, and it's about to rain. Mommy, let's go, pick up the pace. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. My mommy picks me up and carries me again because management here also thinks that I'm some dirty animal. I mean, what the actual F? What is this? Hi, mommy. I'm here for daddy. Now let us up. And naturally, the front desk human obeys my order and lets us go up. This is me waiting for the magic teleportation box to bring me upstairs so I can go see my daddy. Someone cue the magic teleportation box music. Do 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 do. Now this is the moment I've been waiting all day for. My mommy undoes my harness because there is no mean security to tell us what to do. And freedom. I do some sniffing, I do some searching, and I quickly realize where I am. And I get so excited because I love my daddy. Daddy, daddy, let's go. Is this daddy's door? Yay, 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 we're here. Oh wait, no, wrong door. Daddy, 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 is this daddy's door? Yay, yay, yes it is. Let us in. Now before I can do anything, I must eat my dinner because food is life. So good. What in the world is going on in here? There are so many bags, so many boxes. Daddy needs to get it together. This is not an adequate living space for a king like me, but I'll allow it just this one time. I help my daddy decide what we're taking and what we're donating. Mommy and daddy thought that this was their time together. Nuh-uh. This visit was for me. So naturally, I get next to my daddy and I steal my mommy's man. You jealous?
Things cat lovers do. Pick up their cats even though they're comfortable. Say big stretch every time they stretch. Boot them at any given opportunity.
In my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, "Marry me, Juliet."
Nice.
Left, right, left, right. Two more times. If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. I got cups of the rose.
Pesto chicken pasta? A little delayed.